Hi guys, I'm Jennifer with the Keys team, and today I wanted to come to you and just give you an idea of how to do a game with your team on conflict. This game is called Conflict Close Up. So I want you to think about your team and how they react to conflict, because we all deal with it differently. You know, some of us like to just deal with it head on, some of us like to run away. So this is a game for your team. So we're going to demonstrate the game. So let's pretend that I am conflict, okay? I am conflict. Consider how you typically would react when you experience a personal conflict. I want you guys to position yourself in relation to me, somewhere in the room, in a way that conveys your initial response to conflict. Pay attention to your body language as well as your distance from the conflict. Are you ready? And go. Alrighty then. Okay, so some of the things that you can do is, you see, we have, you can ask your staff, hey Tina, why are you standing where you are?
I do not like conflict.
Okay, and what about you, Amy?
I'm unsure. Sometimes I'm okay with conflict. It depends on what the conflict is, but if it's too large of a conflict, I might want to run. So I have the, fear, flight type of feeling inside me.
Okay.
I don't really know if I want to address it or not.
Okay,
I'm unsure.
and Jenna?
I think it's important to address conflict, so no matter how small or big, I always try to address it head on.
Great, and with that, you can use this with your team to go, how could we get you to move closer to conflict? Because we do have to identify the problems, determine what we're going to do, and solve them in conflict. So we can use our staff to think about how could we make it easier for you to approach conflict, and what could we do together. So that's just one exercise that can help you with your staff on dealing with conflict. And please contact us and we can help you with that. Thank you.